Hello everyone, my name is Daya. I'm from Build with Innovation. In this video, we are going to be learning how to manage referral settings. And first, you have to log into your website and click on side menu. Just scroll down a bit, you'll see an option called referral settings. Just click on it. And first thing you have to do is activate the toggle button if it's disabled, and you have an option called cashback for referrer and cashback for friends who sign up, which means if you are the referrer, if you refer the app, actually this can be used only for referring apps and not the websites. If you refer an app for your friend and the friend who signs up, they'll get 99 rupees, and the friend who refers, which is you'll get 50 rupees. Actually these prices are customizable according to your needs. So if I sign up from the link which my friend provided, then I'll be the person who signs up and I'll get 99 rupees. So the cashback for referrer is, we can set it as per we need. I'll give it as 80, and who signs up, it's also customizable. So now I'll just save the details. The settings has been saved. So what happens now is, if a person refers my app, they'll get 80 in their wallet, and the person who signs up, they'll get 99. So this is about the refer and earn. Hope you understood. Thank you so much.